In this video guys, I'm gonna show you step by step how I made $50,230 just by promoting affiliate links on Twitter. I will share with you new affiliate link that you should start promoting on Twitter from today if you want to earn commission, because I will also share with you how we can find people who will be interested to buy this service from your affiliate link so you can earn commission. Okay, so this will be a really an easy and quick video, quick tutorial for you guys to start making some money with affiliate marketing step by step. Let's get started. So make sure to watch this video until the end, because I will share more information about uh, affiliate marketing business step, and I'm gonna share a lot of information. Okay, so make sure to watch this video until the end if you want to make some money like this. Okay, so I have been doing this business for over 2 years, and I'm still doing it, still working, and I'm gonna share with you this method. Okay, so what you will do first, you need to go to Google and you need to search for, so just go to Google, search for Fiverr like this. Okay, click on the first link over here and you need to sign up by using an email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. So this is the step number one. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, what you need to do, you just need to come to this page and you need to scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliates. Okay, it's gonna take you to this page over here. As you can see, what you need to do next is you just need to click over here on join now. Okay, but before we do that, let me show you commission plan, because they are really paying a lot of money. If we click over here on see commission, you can see over here commission plan. If we scroll down, you should see over here that you can earn up to $150. Okay, that's really a lot of money. $150 if just one person buy a service from your affiliate link, you will earn this money. Okay, so that's really, they are really paying a lot of money. Okay, so what you will do next, you will go back to this page and you will click on join now, and it's gonna take you to this page to sign up, as you can see. And as you can see, the sign up process to Fiverr affiliate program is super easy and simple. You just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, account type, make it private. You will answer few questions over here and you need to choose your country, choose your language over here, and if you have Skype, put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next, answer next few questions, and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. Okay, so what you will do next, you will go back to your Fiverr affiliate, to your Fiverr account. Okay, to this account like this one. Okay, now I'm gonna share with you which service you should promote on Twitter if you want to earn commission. This is one of my services that I was promoting and it's really profitable. So what you will do, click on the search for Twitter marketing. Okay, just search for Twitter marketing. So this service will be related to Twitter because we are promoting affiliate links on Twitter, so we should promote affiliate links that will be related to Twitter. Okay, that's why I choose Twitter marketing. Okay, scroll down, I want you to pay attention in this step. Okay, so always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, top rated sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they have a lot of reviews, good reviews, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so let me see, I'm gonna choose this one. I will do Twitter marketing and promotion with organic growth. This one looks good, a lot of reviews, 5 stars. I will click on his service. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page like this. He has a lot of orders in queue, people still buying this service, as you can see. What you will do next, you will copy his profile link. So just copy his profile link. So just go back to your Fiverr affiliate account like this one, as you can see over here, and you should see over here dashboard, and you should see marketing tools. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links, okay, and you will be directly in this page like this. I already have this account ready, so to show you, I don't want to make this video too much long. Click over here and put this seller profile link here like this. Click over here, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. So what you need to do next, you need to promote this affiliate link on Twitter, okay? So let's go to Twitter to show you. So if you don't have an account on Twitter yet, go to Google, just go to Google, search for Twitter for people who don't have an account yet. Search for Twitter, click on the first link over here, sign up by using email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one, okay? What you need to do next is you need to click over here on the search and search for I need followers, okay? Search for I need followers like this, and here you go. You will find a lot of people here who they looking for ways to grow their Twitter account, okay? And our service about Twitter marketing will be helpful for those people, okay? So as you can see, this one is just posted this tweet today. I need a name of my followers. This one looking for a name for his followers. Help me out, I need this. Okay, this one, as you can see, this page, we need 2,000 followers before 2024. So what I will do, I will click over here on reply to this person who is looking to grow his Twitter account. And what you will do, I will go back to this profile seller page, and I will copy his title. I will go back to Twitter, and I will put this title over here, and I will go back to my Fiverr affiliate account. I will copy my affiliate link. I will go back to Twitter, and I will put this affiliate link here, and I will click over here on reply, okay? And my affiliate link will be sent to this person. It should be like this, as you can see. I will do Twitter marketing and promotion with organic growth, okay? So if this person is still searching for how he can grow his Twitter account and get more followers, he will be interested to buy this service and try this service, okay? So if he, for example, if he click on my affiliate link like this, so he will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website, as you can see, to this seller page. He will click on continue. He will buy this service from my affiliate link, and I will earn commission. It's really easy and simple, okay? And make sure to give it time. And if you search every day, you can find a lot of people who want to grow their Twitter account, okay? This one, I need followers. This one, I need followers. This one, I need this number of followers to break 5K. I need this one. A lot of people searching for I need followers, okay? As you can see. So that's how you can promote affiliate links on Twitter, how you can find people who will be interested to buy those services from your affiliate link. I share with you everything in this video, guys. This is my method that I use. I also promote affiliate links on Twitter, on Pinterest and Facebook and Instagram. Make sure to watch my other videos, okay? Check my channel. I already shared a lot of videos about how we can promote affiliate links on Pinterest and on Instagram and on Facebook. Thank you so much for watching. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, and see you in my next video, and like this video, okay?